Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic that concerns all of us: cybersecurity. In this digital age, protecting our online presence is more crucial than ever before. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just starting, these 10 essential cybersecurity tips for beginners will help keep your digital life safe and secure. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Use strong passwords. I know, it might be tempting to use easy-to-remember passwords, but that's a big no-no. Opt for long and complex passwords with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Also, avoid using common words or easily guessable information, like your birth date. A password manager can help you keep track of your passwords securely. Next up is two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Enabling 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. It requires you to provide a second verification method, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. This simple step can prevent unauthorized access, even if someone guesses your password. Our third tip is often overlooked, but it's crucial. Keep your software updated. Whether it's your operating system, antivirus, or apps, updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Regularly updating your software ensures you stay protected from the latest cyber threats. Now, here's a tip that can save you from falling into traps. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Hackers use deceptive emails or messages to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Always verify the sender's email address, avoid clicking on suspicious links, and never share personal information unless you're certain of the recipient's identity. Let's talk about securing Wi-Fi networks. Change the default router login credentials, use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, and set a strong Wi-Fi password. This will prevent unauthorized users from accessing your network and potentially stealing sensitive data. Tip number 6 is often underrated, but it's vital. Back up your data regularly. Imagine losing all your important files due to a cyber incident. By backing up your data to an external hard drive or a secure cloud service, you can restore your information even if your device gets compromised. Public Wi-Fi can be convenient, but it's also a playground for hackers. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts or conducting financial transactions on public Wi-Fi networks. If necessary, use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and add an extra layer of security. Be mindful of the personal information you share online. Social media platforms often prompt us to share a lot about ourselves, but that data can be exploited by cybercriminals. Review your privacy settings, share only what's necessary, and keep personal information limited to trusted platforms. USB drives can carry more than just files. They can be potential carriers of malware too. Be cautious when using USB drives from unknown sources. Scan them for malware before accessing any files, and ideally, avoid using unfamiliar USB drives altogether. Last but not least, educate yourself about cybersecurity. Stay informed about the latest threats, best practices, and online safety measures. By being aware, you become better equipped to protect yourself and your digital assets. And there you have it, 10 essential cybersecurity tips for beginners. Remember, cybersecurity is not just a tech expert's responsibility, it's everyone's concern. By implementing these tips into your online routine, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber threats. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe.